Welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV channel. I am Nala Mari from Southern California in Grand Terrace, California by 215 and 10 in San Bernardino, California, presenting you a beautiful front kitchen travel trailers manufactured by Forest River Cascade 27GH Black Label. And again, we have it in two ways, a standard and a black label. But what I have behind me is the most beautiful, is the black label. But what is first thing catch my eyes is the big front window in the front. Look how beautiful this oval, you see even curved window, this by the way, automotive. And the first thing I say, window in the front, a lot of customers they get like you say, no, I don't want a window in the front because I'm worried it's gonna get a stone chip. Look, the unit is already driven 2,300 miles from Indiana all the way to California. Nothing happened. This is very solid. You could hear it, it's very thick and no issue with it. But it makes big difference when you have the front look of that travel trailers. Now, Cascade is exactly same as Cherokee travel trailer. It's knockoff, nothing different, same everything except the sticker said Cascade, the other one say Cherokee. We carry the Cherokee in Northern California in our store in Torla, California. We carry the Cascade in Southern California location. Now, why you want to purchase 27GHB Black Label? What's the features about this front kitchen Black Label versus the other? Number one, it is the smooth gel-coated fiberglass. As you see, you can see how shiny it is when the sun does not fade as the other fiberglass. The big automotive window, a diamond plate in the front, electric tongue jack in the front with a 2 propane tank and a cover. Then you have the nice storage lot. You can see storage everywhere. Beautiful. When you say the word Black Label, automatically you're gonna get a frameless window. What is the advantage of frameless window? I don't have to caulk them as the other windows. If you look at the standard window over there or there, there's caulking around the window and you have to maintain that and you have to service it to make sure there's no dry caulking. So gel-coated fiberglass, frameless window. What else you gonna get? A solid service countertop inside. We're gonna go and show you the stuff inside about the Black Label. But the most important thing is the side walls, the windows from the outside. Now, this particular unit has all power. That means power stabilizer jack in the front, power stabilizer jack in the back, electric tongue jack in the front, electronics. So there's nothing you have to crank and do on your own. What I like about Cascade is they give me everything. What does mean everything? They give me a beautiful 2-burner grill, outside grill. That's another advantage for you here. You have the grill as well. Beside the grill, you're gonna get a fridge. Let me just take the tape. So perfect for beer, soda, waters, ice maker. I mean, that's the beauty about the Cherokee Cascade is they give you even ice maker. And then say, and again, I have other brands, they don't give this, and I went to even Forest River Cascade and I say, it's enough giving too much to my customer. We have nothing to sell as a part or accessory. You give it all to you. So they give you the bracket for TV outside, the nice blue outdoor speakers. You have one over there, one here. A bracket, you can put your 32-inch, 40-inch TV right here. And you plug it in right there, the coax. The ice maker. Outside shower, you get 2. And matter of fact, you're gonna get 1 outside shower here, as well the other side outside shower. So they give you everything. You don't need to go buy anything else beside that. And the LP Quick Connect. I like the black rims, glass doors, and you have 2 doors. This particular unit is so beautiful. It has a door to the bedroom. So if you're an early bird person, you wake up early and you want to go outside, you could use this door, or you could have the main door. They give you LED light on the power awning as well floodlight. You see the big LED light, the white one. They give you another storage underneath the bed. And look, it's huge and you could access it. And then this, you could do grilling, or this is the grill piece. That's the one if you want to do bacon and egg or carne asada. Or you could do the grill. They give you a rack in the back. That's another advantage. How many times you go camping, you take with you a portable generators, a fire pits, you take woods, lounge chairs, bike. So we flip this down and this is complete. A tray come with it. That's what I like about the Cascade. They give you a lot of stuff. They give you even the backup camera. Again, you don't have to go buy it like some other brands. I told you, as I mentioned, 2 outside showers, one in the side in the outdoor kitchen and one in this side, in case when you hook up you get your hand dirty. I could wash them with hot and cold. And then you have the switch right here. That's for electric stabilizer jack, as we said. 2 in the back, 2 in the front. All you do, push a switch, and then they come down all the way, and then they as well, they're gonna touch the ground. You see, and that's it. Cable hookup. They give you even light. No more you have to use the flash of your cell phone to to hook up the sewage. You have a light. You could see where you hook up the black. You could see where you hook up the gray water tank. And then coming over here, this is the slide out with the frameless window where you have the sofa and the dinette. They give you endless hot water heater, tankless. So these kind of things, the 27GH Black Label give you. Now let's go inside and show you the new features of the 27GH Black Label. Nicer step, solid, you could see. Coming in. Now I'm inside the 27GH Black Label, and I'm sitting in the sofa because it's so comfy sofa, especially for me. And then also I could put my feet here on this ottoman and enjoy watching a beautiful TV with a fireplace. What the catch on this unit is the sofa facing the TV and the fireplace. And then this sofa is easy to sit on it with a nice window. It has also the zebra shade. You see the zebra shade right there, full privacy or light time, or you can raise it up all the way up. And this sofa, it become as a bed. So if I have a kid I want to sleep, I come here. I could sleep one person. This bed, which is the U-shaped dinette, is bigger and sleep easy. 1 to 2 adult, 1 kid here. And just the vibe of this unit, the walking level. And then you ask me why this is ottoman. Yes, I could use ottoman. Also, if I have more people want to sit and enjoy the conversation, people sitting here, people sitting there, I could sit. So I could use it as a chair. I could use it as a box where I could put my game board or books or whatever I want to put. And also I use it as a beautiful ottoman on the sofa facing the TV and the fireplace. They give you even the bracket for your TV, so you don't have to go buy. Just get the TV and the bracket come with it, and you put it right here. Nice ottoman, nice lintel, fireplace lintel, and look how beautiful this storage place. So there's even plugs here for your TV. There's a plug here. I could put like some cooking appliances, like, you know, if I wanted something to plug it in, I could put right here and plug it in right there. It's a nice pantry, closets, whatever you want to store. You have 1, 2, 3 big shelf you can store things on it. So that's another plus. And then you have the beautiful magnet lock, so there's no way this unit is going to move on you. Going to the dinette, as you see, nice big U-shaped dinette, very comfy, easy. I like the cushion. I like this brown stitching. And then this turned to a bed, and as everybody know, on the Cascade they have the 2 big doors on them. So a beautiful U-shaped dinette, a sofa, TV, fireplace, and then you have the 10.7 cubic for refrigerator. It's running like crazy. It's like a running champ. This is all the features of the Black Labels and the advantage about the trailers. Now look at this beautiful. I'm standing here. I'm just want to enjoy the view from the window, and then you have another window. This is pure solid surface countertop. Plenty of room for prepping my foods. I have a place here for my coffee maker, my toasters. I could enjoy. This is a beautiful shade. I could raise it up. Raised faucets, cup rinse, country sink, and then you have a pantry here. More storage, more storage, more storage, more storage. And it's unbelievable. I want to just open all of them because when you tell me, look the amount of storage for dishes, plates, or you put dishes, plates here, cooking pans, storage underneath, grocery behind the TV, and then you have a tinsel door right here. And by the way, this is the bracket. You put it in the back of your TV, and then this slide right here. So that's advantage for you. And then you have also place for with a trash can and place for a trash can. So this is another advantage for you in this kitchen. It's a lot of big kitchen. And then you have a beautiful window behind the 3-burner range. So when you cook, just open the window, all the smell go outside of your spices. You have also, if you don't want to open it, you have a hood and a fan, and then you have a nice 3-glass burner range. And then you have a convection microwave with the air fryers, by the way. That's another advantage on this 27GH. So we're finishing the dining, living, and the kitchen area. Now we're gonna walk this way. I love this window in the hallway, so you can see what's going on in the campground. And then you have a king-size bed. This is king-size bed with, I love these lights. And you have one here, one on the other side. You have a big closet. You see, it's very solid. You have the inverter in case if you have a CPAP machine. There's a plugs for that. One this side or this side. You have a place for a 32-inch TV against the wall. You have the door to go outside if you're an early morning person and you don't want to disturb anybody in the living area. And then this one, if you allow me to raise it up, we talked about it. It's a half storage from outside as well. The inside, you could see all these bins and the storage you could access for socks, underwears, and so on. You put this back, and then you have the nice shelf with a reading light, and then huge on the top, very huge, and then this shelf slide if you want to hide your CPAP machine right there. The nice thing about this one is the bathroom. The bathroom is accessible both way. You could access it from the living area, and you close this one and you close that door. Again, coming from outside, use the bathroom, leave, nobody see my bed, nobody see what's the mess on the bed, nothing at all. Also, if you close this door and if the cameraman go to the other side, it become like a master suite. Where as you see, if the cameraman come this way, it will become like a master suite. So I could come up from the shower, use this area to dress up, go to my bed, nobody see what I'm doing, and go back there. So that's the advantage. And then in this shower, you have beautiful standing shower. Oh, I love it. Oh, look how many shower head. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then look, this is like what you see, the drain. This is like what you see in the contemporary modern homes. It's easy to drain and it's very roomy. Nice skylight for people tall. And then you have the nice shower head. You sit here, take a shower. Inside the shower, you have a nice thing if you want to rinse your feet, your body. And then if you want a beautiful jet for your... It's amazing. I mean, even the houses, they don't have this one. And that's the beauty about the showers. And then you're coming over here. You look at the endless hot water heater switch. And then porcelain sink. As well, you have beautiful medicine cabinet. And then you have a nice toilet with a plenty room, plenty storage. It's amazing. So this is the beautiful about the 27GH Black Label. I love it from a standpoint from the front kitchens, from the big bedroom, the privacy in the bedroom, and the privacy in the bathroom. All the stuff you will see on this unit, it's amazing. Please click on the link. Look how beautiful our service departments in the Southern California, and we are ready for your purchase. You click on the link, you will see all this information, price, specifications, directions, how to get from 10 and 215 to our new location, and we are ready for you. Coming in, and let's put your dream on the road.